Do you know why women chase certain men? It all comes down to a few characteristic features most men lack. A woman is going to show interest in a man only if he himself feels interested in his life. If you are the one who is not excited about what's happening, then how can another person show interest in you? So, today in this video, I'm going to tell you 2 ways to make yourself interesting. That subconsciously makes women like you. This is my website, where I clearly explain dating tips, career aspects, self-improvement, motivation, and grooming tips just for men. Where I explain everything in detail. Go check it out. Links are available in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1, the way you treat yourself. Men who are always depressed or not happy with what's happening in their life, always curse themselves for what's happening. You should have come across quite a few people like them in your life. If you don't respect who you are, then how can you even think of changing your life for a better tomorrow? If you don't give respect for yourself, then how are others going to respect you? Start imposing high standards over yourself, and start working towards them. This is what makes you attractive to others. Whenever you reach set goals, set standards a bit higher. This way you start giving respect for yourself, and others value your words. This trait is really what makes you irresistible to women. In short, giving respect for yourself means giving huge priority to your life and career goals. Women want successful men, both in life and career. Number 2, trying something new. This is sometimes called to be adventurousness. If you are a man who is not afraid to try something new, or go out of the way to make difference from routine life, then you are already attracted to women. It might be trying new foods, might be picking a new hobby, or exploring different places. Women love men who have spice in their life. Their life is not a routine one, just like most men have. If you choose the difference, then you ultimately choose to be exciting to others. And that is what women love the most. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.